Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Epi Arya. Today we are discussing about MCQ on vital signs. So we are starting from beginning. So all the basic things on vital signs. Then discussion vital sign related question and answer. First discussion question number 1. The most appropriate definition of vital sign is dash. A. Sign and symptom of disease. B. An indication of a basic body functioning. C. A part of human composition. D. Physiology and anatomy. Then answer. An indication of basic body functioning. Then discussion question number 2. What vital sign is typically assessed using an ECG? ECG का फुल फॉर्म इलेक्ट्रोकार्डियोग्राम. A. ब्लड प्रेशर. B. हार्ट रेट एंड रिदम. C. रेस्पिरेटरी रेट. D. बॉडी टेम्परेचर. Answer. Heart rate and rhythm. Then question number 3. What is the purpose of measuring vital signs regularly? A. To keep patients occupied. B. To identify changes in health status. C. To meet administrative requirements. D. To increase workload. Answer. To identify changes in health status. Then question number 4. Capillary leaflet time is measured in relation to which vital sign? A. Heart rate. B. Blood pressure. C. Respiratory rate. D. Peripheral perfusion. Answer. Peripheral perfusion. Then question number 5. What is the normal range for capillary refill time in a healthy adult? A. Less than 1 second. B. 2 to 3 seconds. C. 5 to 6 seconds. D. More than 5 seconds. Answer. Less than 1 second. Then question number 6. What are the 4 main vital signs monitored in healthcare? A. Blood pressure, body temperature, respiration rate, pulse rate. B. Blood pressure, body temperature, pulse rate, oxygen. C. Pulse rate, body temperature, oxygen, pain. D. Body temperature, blood pressure, capillary refill time, pulse rate. Answer. Blood pressure, body temperature, respiration rate, pulse rate. Then question number 7. Which vital sign is not always measured using numerical values? A. Blood pressure. B. Respiratory rate. C. Pain assessment. D. Heart rate. Answer. Pain assessment. Then question number 8. Why is it important to measure and document vital sign accurately? A. To impress colleges. B. To fulfill legal requirement. C. To increase workload. D. To ensure patient safety. Answer. To ensure patient safety. Then question number 9. Which is the 5th vital signs? A. Blood pressure. B. Body temperature. C. Respiration rate. D. Pain. Answer. Pain. Then question number 10. The healthcare worker who is responsible for taking vital signs is the patient. A. Nursing assistant. B. Physician. C. Charge nurse. D. Team leader. Answer: nursing assistant. Then question number 11. What is the correct time of taking vital sign? A. Open admission. B. Before and after invasive procedure. C. Before and after administration of medication. D. All of the above. Answer: all of the above. Then question number 12. Vital signs are the indicator of health status, as these indicate the effectiveness of circulatory, respiratory, neural and endocrine body functions. Because of their importance, they are also called as A. Cardinal signs. B. Byronic signs. C. Kerning signs. D. All of the above. Answer: cardinal signs. Then question number 13. These are the indicator of the body's physiologic status and response to physical environment and psychological stressor. A. Vital signs. B. Exercise. C. Body movement. D. None. Answer: vital signs. Then question number 14. Which of the following is considered the vital signs in emergency department? A. Motor response. B. Response to pain. C. Verbal response. D. Pupillary reaction to light. Answer: pupillary reaction to light. Then question number 15. The cardinal signs of the body includes the following except A. Blood pressure level. B. Body temperature. C. Blood glucose level. D. Heart beat. Answer: blood glucose level. Then question number 16. The basic techniques of which of these are used to determine vital signs? A. Inspection, palpation and auscultation. B. Inspection, blood work and X-ray. C. Rhythm rate and open communication. D. Psychology, physiology and nursing skill. Answer: inspection, palpation and auscultation. Then question number 17. Vital signs are normally taken when the person is dash. A. Sitting or standing. B. Sitting or lying down. C. Only when lying down. D. Only when sitting down. Answer: sitting or lying down. Then question number 18. Why are vital signs recorded on a graphic record? A. It provides a visual diagram of variation in a person vitals. B. It is the easiest way to record vitals. C. It is required as a legal record. D. It provides proof that vital signs were taken. Answer: it provides a visual diagram of variation in a person's vitals. Then question number 19. Before taking vital sign on a patient, what should you do first? A. Introduce yourself. B. Close the privacy curtain. D. Explain the procedure. D. Place the call bell within reach. Answer. Introduce yourself. Then question number 20 and last question. What vital signs is most susceptible to conscious control? A. Respiration. B. Temperature. C. Blood pressure. D. Pulse rate. Answer. Respiration. So this was MCQ on vital signs. If any doubt, please comment me, then I will clear all doubt. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.